Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of the series. Today I'm finally going to that waffle making workshop and I'm also exploring the flower market in Amsterdam. So let's go. That's where the flower market is and it looks so pretty from here. This whole area just smells so fresh. There are flowers everywhere, tulips, bouquets, and even bulbs you can take home. It's honestly one of those places that makes you stop every few steps just to take a look around. Even if you're not into flowers, this place has got that relaxing Amsterdam vibe, so it's definitely worth the visit. Such a nice vibe here, even if you're not buying anything. Just walking around, seeing all the colors, it's just like a little painting. That was a really fun experience, and to top it all off, it was completely free, so I would definitely recommend checking out the flower market when you're visiting Amsterdam. After that, I made my way to the Stroopwafel-making workshop. I've had a few before, but never made one myself. I got my apron on, and it actually felt like I was about to do something serious in the kitchen. We started by adding flour and water, following the exact measurements the chef gave us until it turned into a smooth dough.
It's actually called Gouda, from Gouda cheese. Stroopwafel or Stroopwafels from the same city, but I can give you a small guideline to go around it. So first of all, fingertips you hold it. You don't have to move the spatula. You just move it around like that. You spin it around, just like a bicycle wheel, and there you have a Dutch stroopwafel.
Once the dough was ready, we pressed it in the waffle maker and within seconds, the whole place smelled incredible. After it was cooked, we sliced it open, spread the warm, thick caramel syrup inside, which was easily the best part. Then came the fun bit, decorating. I went with the dark chocolate base, added nuts and sprinkles and finished it off with a drizzle of milk chocolate. It turned out so good, crunchy, warm and perfectly sweet. Honestly better than most I've had before. And just like that, I was a certified Stroopwafel chef. Definitely recommend trying this workshop if you're ever in Amsterdam. Such a fun little experience. That's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos and to watch the next episode of this series.